Do you know the story of Adam, first men on earth? If not, then watch this video till the end and share it with others. In Islam, the story of Adam, considered the first man created by Allah, is detailed in the Quran and the Hadith, sayings and actions of the Prophet Muhammad. Here's an overview of the story according to Islamic teachings. Creation of Adam, divine announcement. Allah announced to the angels that he would create a vicegerent, Khalifa, on earth. The angels questioned this decision, knowing that humans could cause corruption and bloodshed, but Allah responded that he knew what they did not. Creation from clay. Allah created Adam from clay, molding him into shape and breathing his spirit into him, thus giving him life. Teaching Adam names. Allah taught Adam the names of all things, demonstrating his superior knowledge to the angels. When Allah asked the angels to name these things, they were unable to do so, affirming Adam's unique status. Prostration to Adam. Allah commanded all the angels to bow down to Adam. All the angels obeyed except Iblis, Satan, who refused out of arrogance, claiming he was superior to Adam because he was created from fire while Adam was created from clay. As a result, Iblis was cast out of paradise and became a sworn enemy of humankind. Life in paradise, Eve's creation. Allah created Eve, Hawa, from Adam's side to be his companion. They lived in paradise and were permitted to enjoy everything except the fruit of a specific tree. Temptation and fall. Iblis, in his enmity towards Adam and Eve, tempted them to eat from the forbidden tree. They both succumbed to the temptation and ate the fruit. Consequences. Realizing their mistake, Adam and Eve felt shame and sought forgiveness from Allah. Allah forgave them but sent them down to earth to live as a test, and as a result of their disobedience. Life on earth. Guidance and prophethood. Allah promised guidance to Adam and his descendants. Adam was the first prophet, guiding his offspring to worship Allah alone and live righteously. Legacy. Adam and Eve had children, and from them humanity multiplied. Adam's story emphasizes human free will, the propensity to err, the importance of repentance, and Allah's mercy, human dignity and knowledge. The story emphasizes the honor and dignity given to humans and their capacity for knowledge and understanding. The role of Satan. It highlights the ongoing struggle between humans and Satan, who seeks to lead them astray. Repentance and forgiveness. It underscores the themes of human fallibility, the importance of repentance, and Allah's boundless mercy and forgiveness. The story of Adam in Islam serves as a foundation for understanding human nature, the purpose of life, and the relationship between humanity and the Creator. If you liked this video, please share and subscribe to our channel.